This is Buffalo's new 35-liter pressure cooker. This is the world's largest pressure cooker made in accordance to various regulations such as CNS, CE, UL, and SG mark in Japan. Currently, the biggest stainless steel pressure cooker at 35 liters has a diameter of 400 mm wide. As usual for Buffalo, safety is our utmost priority. Therefore, we have included various safety devices into this product. Firstly, what's different from our previous pressure cookers is that you have a pressure indicator valve right here in red, which is active at 0.04 kilograms force. This not only works as a pressure indicator, but also as a gear lock for the cover. As you can see over here, if we try to open it when there is pressure, it gets stuck and you're unable to open the device at all. Second safety device we have here is a manual release valve / safety device. In accordance to new regulations in various countries, you need to have a manual release valve. And for this device, by switching it up here, you're able to manually and as quickly as possible release all pressure in this pressure cooker for you to open. Another safety device we have is on the back of this pressure cooker. It is a hole we have made on the cover, and this works at 2 kilograms of force. Additionally, we have added another device which is different from previous. We have a balancing valve right here which is adjustable. It's as easy as opening the top, unscrewing the cap, and you have 1 and 2 different weight devices. Normal standards, this pressure cooker will function at 1 kilograms of force of pressure. By removing each of these, you're able to change it from 0.5, 0.75, and 1 kilograms of force. And therefore, this makes this pressure cooker act also as a pressure cannon. And we've included a meter pressure gauge right here for you to monitor the exact pressure you're operating the device with. If you do not use this as a pressure cannon, we will remove this pressure gauge and add an additional manual release safety device. So in all cases where the safety device gets stuck with foods that you're cooking, there are 2 separate safety devices, both working and functioning at 1.3 kilograms of force. As a pressure canner, volume and capacity for cans is very important. Due to the width of 400 mm, we are able to fit half-pint jars of 38 jars and full-pint jars of 24 jars. Additionally, we have, as usual, very sturdy carrying devices as well. Thank you very much.